Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well guys, well, good morning, guys. I just literally have to jump out my sleep, you know, because I have to run to go collect this package, because basically, you know, the back to school stuff, you know, one of the stuff them literally just, well, they arrived, you know, so the person went to pick them up this morning, you know, which is, I was getting a phone call last night from the person who's going to pick them up, but I never saw the missed call, you know, I never saw it, got sure I was up editing, so it's only just now I got a phone call saying, okay, no way there, you know. Yeah, the box ready and everything, so I have to jump out my bed, put on something. I have to head to church right now to go and pick up the stuff them, you know. So this stuff them just reached, you know, essentially. The timing, you know, it would have been too late now to do the back to school trip because of the timing, you know. So we're gonna make sure that next year is gonna be bigger and better. But you know, as promised, I'm gonna make liquor and liquor miss get a school bag from it, you know, get them a bag, get both of them 2 bags from it, you know, and then everything will put down till literally next year, you know, it's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better, you know, so at least now we can do a bigger next year, you know, because we're gonna have more stuff to put on what we have got already, you know, so we're looking forward for a bigger crowd next year, you know, so this one here is going to be bigger the following year coming, so we're looking forward for that one. So my apology for everyone that was looking forward for the back to school treat, you know, I'm really sorry about that. Yes guys, and also as you can see, I'm sharing the link, you know, if you look in the live chat you will see the link for my music channel, my Vivo channel, you know, which is, I want you guys to subscribe to it, you know. As you can see, the link is in the live chat now as we speak, you know. Please moderator, put the links in the live chat, you know. I'm also gonna keep on share it. It's gonna be in my community post as well too, you know. So with that now, you're gonna subscribe, you know, because that's where my music video is gonna be released, you know. So we're just gonna get the subscription bill up, you know, first, you know. So let's push this to a quick 1,000, you know. So everyone go over and subscribe, you know, subscribe to, you know, a keynote, you know. So that is my music name that I was using when I was doing music, you know. My music name is a keynote, you know. If you listen to my intro as well too, when you hear me say a keynote, when you say me don't know where them are pre about a keynote, so that is my music name, you know. So guys, let's go over, you know, and just subscribe to a keynote Vivo, you know. So that's the name of it, a keynote Vivo, you know. So if you don't know to find, if you type in a keynote, you will see some of my tracks them, like literally 12 years ago, 10 years ago, when I used to literally was edit, you know. So this is the first time you're gonna know my music name, which is a keynote, you know. So the link will there, guys, so just please subscribe to it, you know. Subscribe, let's grow it. Whenever the video is ready to drop, you know, everyone is there. Remember, click the notification bell, you know, and so you don't miss anything. So let's do this together as a team, you know. Let's do this. So go and subscribe to our keynote Vivo, you know. So I'm heading into Churchtown real quick right now, guys. So yeah, so it's a keynote, A-K-E-Y-N-O-T-E, a keynote, you know. I remember when I was getting the name keynote, and I have to add the A to it and call it a keynote, you know. So if I'm not on key, I'm a note. So a keynote. So a keynote over there, so there, a keynote. Cheers guys, so subscribe, bring it up. Let's bring this to a quick 1,000 subscribers. You know, the continue subscribe from there. So keep share, keep tell a friend. So listen, this is where Kino new video is gonna drop. So go and subscribe. So you're gonna do this guys, so let's do it. So for the moment, let's head into church stuff. Rock it out and come in, touch again. Shoot again. Alright, wait for it for now. Drop it that gun, man. Yeah, put that gun, man. And then stick it over here, so. Stick it over, man. No, like butter. Yeah, drop it down, man. Again. Yo, yeah, man. Alright, turn it from the regular side. No, I just missed. Yeah. Big boss and the. I forgot go up in the store and try it into your 2 bars. Yo, Kino, look more. Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, look more.
Give me no one this morning.
Hey, Mr. This water never gone. Until I shoot the video and then I so catch water. The part should I in it. Yeah.
But if I get to see me, catch water.
Nah, I don't want to.
John, a politician, I can't even choke for when I need water.
Call the MP.
We have to make that thing.
You see, no water, wow. No water like wow.
Call the MP. You have an MP number?
Yeah, man, we need water, you know, MP.
You have an MP number? Call him.
No, we have to call Mark, we have to call the next one. We need water.
A Mark in the street that he must call.
Yeah, man, so Mark, we need water. One chuck. Yeah, man, one chuck loaded water, you know. Yeah, man, water is life, you know.
Yeah,
we need water for cook, we need water for bathe, we need water for wash. Everything we need water for do.
Yeah.
You see me, I say we need water.
Tell them where you have to brush your teeth.
Water.
Tell them what you have to use right now for brush your teeth.
Coal, black coal. Rub it until everything come and we just get a cup of water and wash it my mouth.
Where you get the water from?
And I have to buy it. Water, I have to buy water. Need water.
Can water you buy?
No, not can water, no. I cool. Yeah, man, cool. You see me, I say, all time hot. Hot. You see me, I say, I cool water. Yeah, man, Esther be a ice cool water, and I'm up there. Alright.
And the one here, we have the low cool one.
Oh, she have the low cool one?
Yeah, this is the low cool water.
With ice.
So this is guys, basically water go in the community for a couple of days. But this is an old main, you know. This is an old water main that been here for a long time. But this have water. But it weird though for the old men have water.
Yeah, the old men have water.
And the water.
And the new men don't have it.
When the new men come, sometimes old men don't have them. Yeah.
Oh. So when the new men gone and the old men.
Sometimes.
Well, look for them dig it, man. Hey, around for the people that are gonna get there now. They want them dig out the ground.
Bend the hose.
Then dig out the ground and find one pipe and say yes. Right in there, old man. Dig it out so the youth them can catch water. Yeah. Alright then. Edward Siago is here.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Esther Bright. Edward Siago is here and Esther Bright. Not the labor, but the right. Esther Wright. Alright guys, so what we have to do right now, we have to go empty our 2 barrels from inside the shop to put them in because the box cannot go inside. So I forgot empty out 2 barrels.
Down the mic,
Because this box can't hold inside.
I call the man out of an knee.
Really? Hold on, let me see something. Oh, it's better if you know the barrel them we can cover.
Cover.
Because when you put it in the box, it's not going to make the same. Yeah. What's the barrel there? That's empty? Take out them shoes there, man. Take out the shoes there. That's why you need a dust here a long time when you run shoes. Take out them baby. Jeez. A long time in here dusty. It's been a while we not enter the storeroom, guys, over the summer. Look at dust. Come on to them. Dust. Dust. Alright guys, so here is the this is from the overcomers, you know. This is from the overcomers, it's for the back to school, but as I say, this time is a bit like Esther! So here chunks, what on with that then? So I'm saying the time late now, so now I get to keep the back to school tree because the time I already run out. You know, so next year we're gonna do it. So that's how we're gonna put it there. Boom. And this is from the overcomers. So at least next year now we're gonna have more bags from bags. So we have a bigger tree.
So next year?
Yeah, because the time too late, everybody start buy up them stuff already long time. I remember the first school I worked, you know. I look for the time now. Everybody buy up them thing. Everybody know buy up. So the old person who had no bag of the promise was liquor man and liquor miss. You know, we can make them get a bag. So these now, and then plus country they send a box. One of these as well too, with some back to school stuff as well too, and that's still not reach as yet. So we have to give thanks to the overcomers, you know. We thank her so much, we thank them so much for the effort. You know, the overcomers, you know, Auntie Jean, big up yourself and the whole team. You know, so big up overcomers.
One overcomers, yeah man. Love I appreciate it, man. You see me I say, cause the kids them really need it for true, man. You see me I say, so I appreciate this donation phone going to send come. Yeah, and it's a good look. Yeah man. Yeah man, we like it, man.
Even though it's gonna be next year, you know, but
yeah man, overcomers man. Next year.
Yeah.
Next year in the far, you know. And next year World Cup, you know. So overcomers, only for blessing and enough love, you know. Love the bag them for the youths, you know. Yeah, we're not starting nothing yet, so we're going to put them in the barrel and get them set. Because I want to tell the overcomers, boy, I tell you, John, them have overcomers. Love you, know. Love for the whole body, you know. Love for you, you know. Yeah, man, enough blessing.
Dynamite is here.
Yeah, man, blessed and one love. Overcomers. Good luck, blessed and one love. Yeah, Auntie, love you, I cook food. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm saying we'll put them in these barrels.
Alright, you see me as a Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah man, but by the time we touch next year, coming up, different
everything's done there already. Bigger set. It's alright, Esther man.
Yeah.
Esther, we take out 2 bags for liquor man and liquor miss.
Big bag.
Yeah, no.
What's that got?
Like an African.
A beach area, go?
No matter, I say, I'm sure I'll go on the beach right now. You see, see, you see it? You see more.
And put on with that. Oh, they make tape up, so.
Yeah.
Make somebody special. Make it stay up on top.
Yeah,
Like him want wear it.
Sometimes you want to clean them.
High school, I'm not going on.
No,
I pick that because you from high school, you know. Like the book, no, the book bag.
The book can go at the back and everything. So guys, as you can see, the bag can pack inside of this. I'll put it in the books and the crayons them inside. So as I said, next year, you know, will be a bigger and better tree. Because with what we got, you know, and plus we'll definitely get some more stuff, you know, for next year. So we can make some bigger announcement and make them know. So listen, this tree is going to be bigger and better, you know, because last year we were looking at what, 500. So next year now we can look at 1,000, you know. Kids look coming over because a lot of kids come out last year still never get any bags. You know, a lot of them never get bags. So at least now if we save these, what's going to come for next year is going to be much better, you know. So that means at least we're going to have both books and bags to supply to majority of everyone. Because I'm saying we keep it each year, it's not every kids always get bags. But this is going to be the first year, we're not going to keep it. I'm going to make sure we combine it with the one with next year. So that means it will look better. Because every year it's get better and better. I know everyone is looking forward for this back to school treat. So we would have expected how many people is going to be here. There have been a lot of people going to be here for this one. So if we can sit down, you know, and do it next year, it's going to be much better and bigger. You know, more bounce of culture, more food, more. Listen, it's going to be like a street festival for the kids them next year. You know, bigger and better. Trust me, bigger and better. These are going to store and put down for them time. You know. Liverpool.
Yo. Hey, out the road over there.
Oh, go on. Yeah, tape it down. I want to tape them in a reaching. I tape it down. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Alright, guys, so the barrel, let me see. Plastic and plastic up. Plastic and plastic up, you know, cover them as well too. Come here, we're rolling this. Oh. Take it out. Take it here. Yeah, look at that. Wait, there one tree there inside. It's like one tree there inside. Look at the dust. I'll come with it now. Shoot it. Go, come shoot it. Go, shoot it. Alright, so as I say, we finish pack away the stuff then, you know, so we give thanks to the overcomers, you know, we thank her so much, you know, for a yearly back to school treat, you know. I'm say we have some more stuff coming from also country as well, from White Plains Road, you know, from New York, and that's still not reach as yet too, you know, from Bronx, and that's still not reach as yet, you know. So as I say, it was in the best interest for us to like put it off to next year, where, you know, say everything could be bigger and better next year. You know, when we get some more stuff, we'll put them on top. So next year now we can have a bigger street and whole street, you know. So next year will be the biggest street we'll have for sure. You know, so we'll just put on these stuff, put them down and have them next year, you know. So we give thanks to the overcomers and thank them so much. You know, blessed love Auntie Jean, you know, everything out there already and the whole family. You know, nothing but love and love alone. So, you know, it's nothing but dream team, one team. So, blessed love, you know, to our overcomers and our extended family. Dream team, one team. Peace. Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome, welcome. You know, it's night market night. You know, the thing was I have to see, yeah. I have to get the remedy, there. And guys, look at this blending greenie. So, yes, night market night. You know, the thing as usual I have to be here. You know, make sure you guys get in contact with Yaya as well too. But always make sure I put Yaya in the program. I like. Yeah, what you're gonna need, and put the contact number out there for you guys to contact Yaya. Please don't forget to contact Yaya to any health benefit that you need, you know, because Yaya got the package for everything. And if you notice, Chargy, you know, living testimony, you know, to see what is literally taking place, is literally recovering from everything, you know. And we give thanks for Yaya because the products them does work. It really does work. So you really need to get in contact with Yaya, you know. So please do so, guys. Remember. So I'm going inside now to go and see Yaya because I was using my oil that his wife gave to me and it dropped and break. So I'm gonna refill back up, you know. But everything is good on my side. See you here, guys. So that's where I'm heading to right now. Night market night. At least I got a park not too far away, a bit closer and everything. So I'm going inside and I just see other vehicles leaving or vehicles pulling up. See the man themselves. See the man themselves. Yeah. See the man himself here. Man is here. Yeah, you got my sip.
Which sip, Kano?
Listen, I leave now voice note about my sip. I'm gonna need the next bottle of the sip.
I didn't actually hear the
voice note.
But I saw one sip left in the fridge, and I said, you know what, let me grab it because
really
I know that
Kino gonna need it.
Kino's gonna
need it.
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. So at least I got my sip.
You got your sip, bro.
Alright, in the igloo?
Yes, well, it's in the igloo. It's in the, yeah.
I'm just chilling.
Keep it cool. I'm matter of fact, it was the last thing I put in there.
Oh, so my sip is in there, so it can go and stay in there.
You want to stay in there? Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in this little bag, you know.
The bag?
It's in the little bag.
It's in the bag?
It's in the bag.
So the bag that looks so small, like it's a small sip.
Yeah, it's a small sip. That's why my tell you says a small slip left.
Really?
Yeah, man.
can't believe that, man. Come and say all that oil in that little bag there. Must be something small. Yeah, and a one?
Yeah, you know, you hear me say one sip left. And I say, yo.
And I sip that, man. A trip.
Man, this weekend
That's a tip.
Be grateful. Could have been none.
So this is one go.
One go that. One drink.
One drink till we are next
I know
week
people
again.
don't know about the dynamic of the energy. I hope you're telling them about the energy sip there. They limber you up.
Yeah, guys, this sip, trust me,
Man.
working wonders. Alright, so me have the nut buster there.
Nut buster there.
I imagine I'm calling it nutcracker.
Nutcracker, you call it.
Yeah, I rest it back. So I have the nut buster and me have the pumpkin.
No, the pumpkin are there yet, kid.
That's a passion that.
Yeah, well, fashion and thing, you know. Now we have, yeah, well, you know, this is my favorite still, you know. This is the Moorish Marsh with the sea moss, you know. That is my special.
Oh, so we never tried that special. Yeah, say that we tried it special, man.
Not me say, brother, you have tried, you know. I see that either.
Alright, so I'm going to try the Moorish mash and leave the nut buster then.
Alright, well, it's good, yeah, no problem. So.
Alright, rest it back in.
Alright.
Rest it back in. Rest it back in. Alright, me I tell you, living testimony from charging.
What charge you going with?
Great things, man. Great things, you know, great things, you know, because charging say, boy, him feel good in himself, him feel much better and everything, and the man say, yo, the foot. Him say him have go downtown and do some shopping for the kids. Went into the store and bring the stick. Cause most time I walk without the stick now. And even walk out the store and forgot about the stick. You know, for sure that I was getting comfortable as well too.
Leave the stick.
Yeah,
that's
and
great.
him also go to the doctors, you know, and them see the foot getting better as well, heal up and everything, and him explain to them say it's the herbal thing, and doctor them say, alright, then let's go and do it then because it's working.
Definitely.
So me would take the eye drops and tell them about the eye drops and said eye drops is even working as well too, you know.
Charge it, big up yourself, charge it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, just
charge it, man, them come to study for you, know, charge it.
So they tell them say the eye drops at work and everything at work, you know,
nice,
and him start big you up and I say,
man.
yo.
Yeah, man.
I'm say like in a month time and say him can start wear back shoes and everything, you know, we may do for a long while.
Yeah, man, and what more on charge you know as well that don't get too comfortable and go back in your old ways.
Yeah.
Because of course you've been experiencing this for a period of time.
20 years.
Yeah, so it's gonna take a little, you know,
time.
let Charlie come out the red. Because he's coming out the red still, you know, okay? So just remind him that I don't want him to start celebrating and just forget about
the continuation.
Because I have time, as I say, I have quite a few references where they start, and after, you know, I call 2 times and I say, yo, just remember, you know, it's much years you've been going through this, and not because everything look good on the outside.
You're gonna stop.
And
no, go back to the old,
I want to, and it always happens. They have to come right back. So I don't want charge you falling that.
Yes.
You know. So
I'm also say I've been using the insulin for 24 years. Two intake twice a day.
Oh.
You know, so that's 4 twice a day. I'm saying, yo, them change that. If only I take 1 insulin 1 time for the day. You see me, and them see the improvement, you know. And only 1 insulin depend.
This is great. This is great case study, because as I say, we have many, but being that you're so details and keeping track is great key, you know, because I keep telling people with diabetes who have diabetic issue or diabetes that hey, you don't have to live on pills and insulin. Clean up the body. And that's why we've been advocating for people to clean up the body. Once you clean the body, listen to the body start work. It's just like anything. The house dirty, clean up the house and everything, just your life change. Get rid of the bad relationship and your life change. Get rid of the things them around your house and your life change. Get rid of the dirty cells them when dead, and the curl and the mucus and the pus out of your body, and it start to work properly. And this is what I always been telling people. See, and I'm not gonna, you know, you come and you say, oh, I have diabetes, so take a bag of tea bag and go drink. No, clean up yourself first. You know, so again, a lot of time people might call me too, and you know, I say, all right, send me your information, I send you a recommendation invoice, and them see the price and them get, you know, and I say, whoa. But listen to me, you have to invest in yourself.
Yes, for sure.
You have to invest in yourself, people.
For sure.
If you don't invest in yourself, guess what? You won't have a self.
Won't have a self. No.
You have to put the house payment on pause sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you probably have to hand up out a door just to live. That's just life.
And once you have life, all
There
things
is
are possible, and there is hope.
There is hope, but your health come first.
Yes.
Don't lose a foot because hey, you're being mingy.
Yeah.
Don't cut out your thyroid gland because doctor say you have to. Change your lifestyle.
Yeah, that's true, man.
Change your lifestyle.
You have to, man. And as them can say, charge is a living testimony.
Yeah, man. That's as I say, man. Boy, charge it.
Yeah.
Listen to charge. As I say, hey, I know charge it would make a public, you know, example.
Yeah.
Because I know what the medicine do. I know what your medicine can do.
Of course.
You know,
and it's doing wonders. Trust me, it's doing wonders.
Because people see you and them and say, hey,
you're looking healthy.
Say so.
Of course, because trust me, myself, I've been feeling great.
Yeah,
as I say, from I met you, I'm going to start use the stuff them. I've come off all vitamins.
You don't need them, bro.
I used to use like 6 different bottles of vitamins every day.
No. Functional food we are talking about. Get your vitamins and minerals from your food, not from a pill.
No.
That's what I don't want. Listen, I don't want you coming back to me for the same thing every day. Saying what you just a little pep up.
Yes, a little pep up.
Just a little pep up.
Just. I'm gonna tell you guys, I say yo, that day I met Yaya, to know that day, I was literally, me as a man, literally on vitamins every day. Yeah. Vitamin this, vitamin that, vitamin U and vitamin we, vitamin
O,
yeah, all the vitamins you can think of.
Yeah,
because through the duty that I'm doing, you know, the purpose that I'm serving with this work up and down and everything, and the editing take a lot. So I have to be on my vitamins then. But trust me, since I met Yaya, I don't need none of them things anymore. It's all natural energy, vitamin free, and I'm natural energy.
Food functional.
Yeah, feeling great in myself. Like I say, I cannot stop give thanks, you know. And as well too, Charges said the thing will go on in tongue. He said that one they finish. So I don't remember which one was that one that went on his tongue. He did give him something put on them tongue. I think with that elbow. I wonder if that one would help with the eye.
Yes, it was. I give him a man.
I was on help with the eye or the food?
No, the eye. The eye supplement.
Okay.
The eye supplement. We give him a liquid eye supplement.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
2020 eye supplement. Because again, we have it in capsule too.
Yeah, yeah.
The funny thing is, and I should have brought some because really and truly I run out of the capsule, but the supplement,
yeah,
we have to, you know, people who have eye issue, eye drops, and take your supplements because those supplements actually bring nutrients, stimulate, stimulant to the eye, you know, because as zinc and those stuff the eye really need.
Yes,
true. So we have to, you know, like those issues I say, we have to use supplement to get people back into nature.
Yes.
That's why we put in a capsules that we might extract it, but that's the key. We have to help them to get back to nature.
Back to nature, of course.
So your food becomes your medicine.
Your medicine becomes your food.
Because the bag of starch and we kill it Jamaican people. All the starch, too much starch.
Kill it.
Kill it, man.
Get rid of it.
Yeah,
get rid
underground.
of it,
Stop going underground for your food. Your food is above ground.
Yeah.
A rat go down underground. I'm telling you, it's sound away, but your food above ground.
It is, and he's right, guys. I'm telling you, he's right.
Definitely.
Right. So let's do the right thing. You know, as I said, the number we got over there. You might call him sometime and I get him, but don't give up.
Don't give
Continue
up.
trying. You see me?
Trying.
You definitely get through because him being bombarded with a lot of phone calls, you know.
And I have to deal with each one. I don't know.
Yeah.
Intimately, you know, individually. That's how I work. You know, I just don't say go on the website and go order this and that. I want to hear you and I want to
explain to you what's going on.
You know, so don't feel no way if I don't reach to you yet. You know, I will reach to you.
Because I explained to them, you know, I also have a business store where I run as well. I have a deal with clients also and plus employees.
Making medicines and
everything.
You know, it's a lot, man. Hunting medicine. It's a lot. But that's why we have to stay and chocolate and certain, you know, stay up.
Stay up.
Because it's a little bit of hours we actually used to get
for
rest.
ourselves, So that's up on it, guys. So everything goes, we're gonna get inside, you know. Yes, we're gonna get some stuff, and everything goes already. So blessed love, guys. Stay in tune. Stay with your health.
Health is wealth.
It's your wealth.
Health is your
Stay
wealth.
in tune. So you know everything goes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
No. I say the samples, bro. Anything cannabis infused?
Hello. We have doubles. Never fear to leave the doubles. Yes, I have to have my doubles. When I come to market, I have to have doubles. Two doubles. Cannot leave my doubles, guys. Yeah. A video.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Memories?
And I got a YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber.
What's your part? One share now?
Oh, go from Kino Life in Jamaica now.
Kino Life?
In Jamaica. On YouTube and you see. Kino Life.
Make a plan and answer your social assistant. Always represent in a nation.
Mythic Gotcha. Uncle, yeah. Uncle is, you know, go give them thing with the car. Finally, see somebody having the same eyes. Legend himself. Yeah. But she has literally tall on me. It says K-I-N-O. Space. Oh yeah, you see.
You're large, man. I can't, area come up.
Yes, man. And then when you go on reels, go on the channel.
Many youths don't live to be. But you kill them hard before puberty.
So you know you always have night market. So this is all the videos then. Lord. No, it's a little girl named Cranberry and her family. Yeah. Every Tuesday night. Sun Cafe.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Hello.
You're doing good.
Yeah, man.
Keep it up. All right.
Yeah. Grab a Belge. After Belge, most Belge. Yeah. 7.
Their universe made funny, let it come to me. Oh God, stay away from me, God.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Stay away from me. What other thing?
What's up, 7? I'm in the mood. Mel, what's going on? Mel, guess what? My aisle.
Your time. Take a chair now.
Take a chair now, so try your
time. If you get up your kid, that's it, the chair.
God, just gotta take it a while again.
Yeah, just gotta take it.
I make a deal with him then. After.
Yeah, but keep so loving. Can't leave all the rest of it.
That boy, my aisle dash way.
Which?
What? No, not the smell good aisle.
Which one are they?
The one for the skin, where they ginger and the tea tree and they make me something for the pupils them.
You throw it away, how could you do that?
See now, you know what I do? I tip it on my hand like this, with a little glass
take
buckle.
time, don't want it done.
And then I close it back. Okay. I just slip out of my hands, so sloops. You see, I'm vexed. I couldn't even wait for the Tuesday come again.
So what have you been using?
You know what happened? Something like splash by my skin or so. Just use the back and scrape off some.
You get orange juice?
By the front. Yeah.
Okay. So then you need orange juice, baby?
This one is mango, pineapple,
orange
cane.
juice. Happy Spirit said I drink sea moss now. I'm so proud of him.
So when I finish with it, I then we just get mine. So guys, today we have another subscriber here to see Yaya as well. So right here we have a natural juice as well. It's so natural. You know the thing. So let's go Alright then guys, so see there we have on our extended family, you know the thing go. Shoot where the health is well. So.
Yeah man, get the detox. Ashanda, seal it.
Him get the
detox package. The cellular health, clean the cells them, charcoal, clears and good patches. You know, cool and cleanse.
Cool and cleanse.
You know, because these things are necessary. Yeah. Adult worm out. As I say, we have to be radical against them.
Adult worm out. The first time you got detox?
Yeah.
For your band?
For my band. So we have to go hard.
Yeah.
So we have the blood purifier. Because it's a busy tonic also. It's good for help with the liver and the kidney the same way. And balance back even the blood sugar. And then, you know, now let the circulation. We give them a big circulation because we want to get the blood flowing. And we have the tummy tuck. I say we have to kind of get
this. See next time that guy right down. Tummy tuck.
That's with the tummy tuck. Yeah man. And
the dandelion.
No man, the king of the liver.
The king of the liver that.
You know, because if you have any little liver, you know, acne, liver spot dealing with.
I know mine finish as well too.
This is what I talk about. So I don't little thing there, but we are helping clean up the skin. Because you know, you don't your skin clean
already. And clean and glow. I got knee back one the king of the liver as well, because that mine they finish.
So and to get the we also have the soap too. You know, we call it the king of the forest soap. It's designed
for that.
Give me a bag. This design the work with the king of the liver.
And this is the soap.
This is the soap. The king of the forest soap. Good for acne, good for all of them things that you know people. And as I say, as man, we have to protect the prostate. Saying and prevention. My trouble. You know, we give him the capsules to work with. The tonic also, but
they give him something to sprinkle on his food. I remember overseas him got there, you know.
Yeah man. I've been saying
you never bring it?
We never have no more you talk about the aqua herb.
Yeah, the aqua herb.
And that you did say and that you did say no.
Because you come off of the meat, you know. So what with the aqua herb now, not even it have a lot of seaweed. Because we don't eat, we are eat the fish now. But we won't eat the fish.
Yes, fish full of mercury.
Yeah, and the fish have pure mercury, so we have a lot of seaweed in the aqua earth. And then we balance it with a certain ratio with some land herbs. But beneficial like our sarsaparilla in Ireland. And some herbs that keep the skin tight and right. So that's why we call it aqua herb, because 70% of your body is water. And then we have the land herbs to balance it.
And you have the clove of night, strong as well. So.
Yeah man, because we know we love the clove. See your clove oil here too. Come tell us. Yeah man.
Yeah, so now bring some clove oil from
you. Clove of bars. Yeah. Left the clove.
Awkward, you need to get that thing.
Yeah man, see Keenan very special, request now.
Yeah. Right now, use one and sprinkle over my food right through. And we're straight overseas now. Yeah, say. Yeah. Boy from what they boy, I just feel like I'm gonna fly next. Right Mel?
Hey.
I'm gonna be flying next.
You're flying?
Soon.
Happy man.
Soon I've got.
How many a suitcase?
Yeah, I'm a Schiller jet. We're gonna need one soon. Because if we run out. Schiller jet finish?
Schiller jet? One might be here. One might be. So I haven't even seen it.
You don't see it.
That's one
package, yeah. So see there? He's on the path of righteousness. Yeah, set him on that too, you know? I will give thanks. I'm telling you, say, I will have told him, so once you come here, everything works. So people that is coming like, whoa, to get the health stuff. You know, trust me. Righteous way, man. Yes.
Sorry?
Alright guys, so night market is closed for me tonight, you know the thing goes. Outfit! So you know I'm gonna head in, definitely head home now, so we give thanks, and blessed love guys, blessed love, so you know the thing goes already, you know, so dream team one team, so tomorrow now, see what I want. Well. Good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or anywhere you're watching from. Yes guys, so today we're going to head up by Mama River. So we have Bajah here who's going to do the measurement for Cranberry family, you know, for Chargy to get the measurement from the river to the house so they can get the tank. So we're going to get know how much piping they're going to need, the size pump, and also for the tank as well, to the size tank they're going to need. So Bajah is going to come up here today, you know, so we can do that measurement, so we can get it off the Winstone. Well, not, we're going to get the invoice and see what the cost will be, and then get it off to Winstone, so you will definitely know the price and know how much it's going to be, you know. So I'm going to do doing this here, so that is the plan for today. So I'm still not going to make it today, you know. Close. Oh.
Yeah, I'm the teacher, man.
Lay up and running.
Yeah.
Out and stunting. Oh, chef, that doors off. Alright. Sure, Bajah.
Run! Yeah, shit, I walk on there.
Alright. Come in, Bajah, we move.
Yeah. Come in.
Yeah. guys, well. So anything now, we just touched down. Just touched down. Out there with Wow is here as well.
Twice.
Not once,
Yeah, man.
twice.
Get me on a bit there.
And we have Bajah here as well too. Bajah in the building.
One more time, you know. The pandens, I can see what I go on, you know.
Yeah.
So do a little measuring up.
Yeah.
And the wow.
Whoa. And we have 30 gram on the gram.
30 gram.
We have boom.
Big up all of the extended family. You see me and say, yeah man, everyone we down here to Kino man and make the thing possible man. You see me and say, so we appreciate it and we give you much love man. You see me and say, yeah man, one
them
dream
say,
team.
Them say open a drop today, no dropping today, right?
No man, we not drop today, we not drop today. We not drop today.
Run us to the corner. Run us to the corner. Gone right around the corner. River empty.
Where?
Yeah, next side.
Nah. Big nose.
Part never the thing never the connect in a Bajah. Never the connect. White nose. White. You have something for me? Evening. Bag juice, see me?
No, bag juice.
What you buy?
Gas.
Yeah, for gas.
Ice
How
cream.
about the this? But it's
This? Dream Team?
I buy one chain here.
Buy a chain for me? Can I buy a chain? White nose, stop it now.
I love makeup and buy. Jenny shot we eat and look man. And she said, but when Kina come, like she know, like she smell. You know that we don't have boom at times away there. Here,
She said she smell me. She smell me, you know.
Yeah.
What is my birthday gift?
Yes.
Hey, my birthday gift from Cranberry and Nana.
And Jaisha.
And Jaisha.
And Lukuman.
And Lukuman.
And Toko.
And Toko. And Ta.
Well, we make up.
Hold on to make up?
Yeah, Jaisha. Wow. She does stand up.
Yeah, now make you call them.
Pull it and look.
Pull it, let me see them. Pull it, me see. Pull it, me see it. Wow, more chain. Bling, we are bling. Bling, we are bling. What?
Yeah, you put it on.
Bling, we are bling. King.
You put it on if you want.
The gold and silver.
Ooh.
Can't put on. Hold
Who
it
can't
on.
put on chain, daddy?
Hold this. Can't put it on for me.
Yeah, 3 chain
Yeah,
now.
man, 3 chain.
2 we have on and then this next shit.
Gold and silver. Them say not supposed to wear different. See there? Yay! Thank you.
You
Thank you, kids. Thank you. I see my chain. My daughter buy me. And the rest of kids them. See there? It's a king in the earth. Out of the 50 grand where you have.
When we got stone, we remember about that.
Come in a bag, go.
I the one where he make something. Yesterday, so call and she say, boy, you got a barber. Me say, me have to do something. I say, Esther, you find there, me have nothing. Yeah, so why you don't want to talk to me?
Go on. Thank you. Go and call. Nana, go and call Liquorman and Liquormiss. Please.
Tell them the key to call them.
Yeah, tell them you have something for them. Eh? That's still there though.
Pitch and drop on it.
And me don't put that on it, then take that. Yes, tell me. Me say I know some girl in a party skin. And he got me. See that? Look at him.
Yeah, face. Ouch.
So I'm going to say.
Ouch.
Okay.
Charge it. Right, charge it. Him say yes, my dig off.
Oh, the inside.
Put it.
Which part my dig off?
See me. Charge himself. Bajah there.
Yeah.
Yeah, my boss. Respect. And thing. Charge it. Which way you say you put it now?
Yes, so me that just build yes and put it up on my little stand, yes, I know.
Oh, so how you plan to do?
Just build back a little while, come back out here somewhere.
That may I say?
That's something that to it, man, because can't dig in too much.
No, you don't need to dig
in.
Yeah,
Just build and
we just square this. And just block it up.
Yeah, that made that to it.
Once you block it up, you just dump behind it.
Dump it up and
and leave it
and still have a cast at the top because the top of the
yeah, you can put a nice 3-inch cast on it. At least it will grab it. So you don't come from the side with the water?
Yeah, so the water comes.
So the pipe that run from here, so from here, so the pipe that run.
Yeah, man. Where you say you want to?
No.
They run same place and go somewhere.
I say a stone down.
Yeah, go through.
Go down this side of stone down, sir.
Go through this one.
Oh, so I take it from right to on down.
They bag they pretty.
Under the pool part, so it look smooth.
Right, so?
Yeah. No man, that's how more stone them man. So it go so through the bamboo there, so and drop right back down there.
Because anyway you put it there, we want to put heavy traffic there tonight.
Yeah.
You know,
something more
people are going walk.
Morning and evening.
Out of the way of people.
I know.
And then something.
Okay, we go so, it will go boom.
Yeah, too much pipe that. That better you know.
So, right there, so.
Yeah, we'll check up how much pipe that.
You check and see how much pipe. Oh, you have a tape measure?
Yeah, man. You know, man.
Man, stretch. Yeah, cool.
Shepa.
You see, in order to go up this and then you go want up this stuff, pipe up to go back to the building. This actually, to go up this, it's going to need actually 7 length of pipe.
7 length?
Yeah, to go up this. 7 length of pipe and then to carry it back from this and connect to the house and pipe up. See, actually, we don't say buy 10 length.
10 length.
10 length half-inch pipe. And you don't want like 1.5 coupling, half inch. You want elbow, 1 dozen. Elbow. You want 1 dozen T. You want. Alright, with the water we are pump up this so. You don't use the half inch to carry up the water. The pump come up this so, but anytime you send it back so, you're gonna use 3/4.
To send back the water?
Send back the water to the house.
Oh.
And then it reduce back down. Yeah, it reduce back because you want when it have gravity feed, it have a bigger opening.
Bigger hole so it can send
bigger
the pressure.
opening if you send it back, and then when it go into the house now, you reduce it back to the half inch. So it can carry a heavier flow.
Yeah.
So you don't want 3/4 pipe. 3/4 pipe to go to the house.
So basically, so like I right to say run it beside the house, or
no man, we not try to infringe with this. So we don't do. You see, against the architree them just come down.
Right, that's so.
Yeah, you come right down against the architree them and come cross.
Oh, cross, yes sir.
Yeah, cross, yes sir. Cross, yes sir. And send it down. So actually, you don't try to anything are going the way that you bury it down and send it on. Because it's a track there, sir.
Yeah.
You can't make it where people kick over.
Yeah.
And then things you say, and bury from there, sir. But like you said, nobody now walk. Any area where people are cross, you bury there, sir.
People are cross,
like
yes sir.
You bury it. Yeah, bury there, sir. And bury it, sir. And then turn it down there, sir, now. Next thing we have to do, too, you have to go run wire come down there. You know, because the pump now is just when you have to pull up your car, the pump down there, can it plug in and just pull up. And carry it back. Yeah, and just carry it up back.
See my boy, yeah?
That's it, yeah. So you have buy a 110 pump. See?
So you make the pump stay disconnect?
Yeah, you set it away where you plug in the pump.
Okay.
Because you don't need for it dead down there.
Yes,
you just need for when the tank full up, you just went in there, you just pick up at the pump and carry it up. Understand? And then whenever time you run, you know the amount of volume of water you use, you know when to tap up back. And then thing them. So that it can be the best option to deal with that. What size tank you use?
I don't know, what size would be the best size? Because like a 6 of them, you know.
Yes.
6 of them.
And the space of the tank again.
And the space of the tank.
You have to, any tank where you have built. 4 feet wide. You have some wider, you know, some around 5 feet wider.
Yeah, call them on fire. So the pump there. Yeah, there we go, son.
See now? Call before make it come on. Call David, the one with David have it.
Call it make it come on?
Yeah,
so
but no, the way name there. The way name there, the way name the key.
That's the number.
Yeah?
The number in that phone there.
We don't say we don't buy 10 length of the way name.
The 5.
The half inch.
You have pen for you?
Half inch to carry the water.
To carry the water. And the pump itself, wow. Much horsepower. You want to what? Half? Horsepower?
My one small, yeah.
How many are half horsepower? Them now pump.
So the half could have sent up so far?
Yeah man, you have to push it up. As long as the line full, man, the water push it up.
The line full.
The line full. And the 3/4 pipe. And you have to buy the coupling. Normally they more give the outlet for the tank, the screwing part.
Yeah.
The male adapter reduced to the 3/4. And then you're gonna need some rain in.
Yellow? The tank size will be 850.
Yeah.
And the pump will be over the half horsepower.
Yeah, half horsepower. Yeah.
About 10 length of pipe.
10 length of pipe. Half inch pipe. And you need 4 lengths away in there. 3/4. 3/4 to lead to the house. And you need couplings, elbows, and T.
Yeah.
Male adapters.
No. Let me get one book page and a pen, please.
No.
Okay, right, and down. So we kind of take that to the hardware and them tell me the price. So I budget me there if you go check for the size of the price.
You can get it a budget.
Because the hardware they out here so I pop in. The lumber one there. Let me sell them thing the Bajah?
Yeah man, major of them man.
So that's how we have to get. Eh?
Everything I get down there.
Yeah. So we gotta do I make a check this out then with the price. Yeah? So we can know, so we can make Winston know then. So you can write it down and just bring it to them and ask how much everything come up to. Because you see them from them have a pump. Instead of check it down on my side. Because that's how we get it from instead.
Oh no, yeah.
Yeah, right.
I have a new one, you see the new place that I bought a one brand of thing they sell. But I don't know if all the brand, because more time of the brand, you know.
Which part? Same place down here, sir?
Yeah.
Oh.
But a one brand of thing they sell, but more time of the brand, because more time my brand them not strong, so it depends on the brand.
But the pump,
yeah.
The pump brand necessary?
No really, you have some brand where going, but you have some pump where them goods, because you have cheaper than cheaper, you know.
Cheaper?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cheaper, some pump there, you get them a field and everything.
Well, that's a new one that pop in.
All down at China man.
Yeah, that one them here too. Yeah, the new place.
Anything about China man, them good man. Anything China man copy.
Yeah.
Yeah, well I want to pop in that, me I tell you about that.
That China man in that?
Yeah.
So I can go there to go check then?
Every tool I one, one brand of tool.
So you have to go right there so then and check that.
Yeah.
So shall come with the book and the thing there. So guys, so basically so that's what will happen, you know. You will get the water from right here, so you know, and send it all the way up, channel it up there and there, you know. Well, look, mister. Look, man. Oh.
No one more than them.
Yeah. Power, what's up? I mean, I forgot to check. Alright. Because even when my if I go take a whole heap, I work to bring up the tank there too, you know.
Oh, you have to come from the side.
Yeah.
Up top.
Road, yeah. Instead you come where you come down.
Yeah.
It's easier.
But we could come through Chris there, because Chris is too small. We attack. Up yourself, bro. Hey, but it's a big. But even though you're so narrow too as well, if you come through.
So couldn't bring back from the side.
Listen, Bajah, across the river you have to come. Because up there I got narrow. Up at Chris I got narrow. Yeah, they got narrow. Yeah. Oh, we get something for you as well from yeah. As well. So I have the tea, the wound healing tea, the mix. And this are the sore healer as well the drop.
Yes, yeah, man. But you see what I go on here, you see me I move without all the stickers, you see what I go on
so. Time I said the one with my gear and the tongue and the one for the eye that.
Yeah,
the eye one, but it never have any pan him. Oh, yeah, same man make you get that, you know, and everything.
Yeah, man. More strength again, man, and more less, man, cause you see say it work, man.
Yeah, I think I work hard and charity, you know.
Oh yeah, say man. Yeah, man, so you see that man, he must watch the thing and say, me I move without all the stick and thing, you know, so you know, so soon can go in the shoes, you know, so.
And him say, yo, not because you see it I get, you know, when it get better then you stop. you have to continue because of years you go through it.
Yeah.
You see me? So not because you will get better straight away, you go stop and do what you do. You have to continue go and take them same way because remember, at 20 odd years now you have faced this.
Yeah man, 24 years.
24 years. So look over 2-3 months. You see me? You need more making up.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the whole heap of difference, man. The whole heap of difference, man. Yeah, man.
Type of Bajah says your thing work, man.
Eye drops more.
The eye drops, boom, say more. All the eye drops too? No. All the eye drops to work too, man, boom, man.
Come here, scratch.
Some plum. Never pick out a road after done.
What?
Plum.
You want plum? Blue plum?
Plum.
And sour plum.
Yeah, bread.
Alright guys, so evening we have Winstone. I'm saying we have Winstone is gonna start out when to get the measurement and how much pipe they're gonna need and the pump and also the tank price as well too, because they want to help them out with that also, you know, and him also send a package. Him send a package as well to it's with Junior Lifestyle fishing. You know, remember the last time I went with Junior, you know, and do some adventure cooking done by the alligator part and everything. So you know, we're going to link up with Junior again because that's where the package is. So we have to go head down there as well to go see Junior. You know, so you know that's going to be another epic one as well too. We and Junior link up, you know, cook some food. So this time, the last time I did promise him, say, yo, the next time when I forward, I'm going to do the oats dumpling. You know, so while I'm down there, you know, I'm going to do the oats dumpling and while him do the fish. You know, it goes already, so
in front of me,
we're going to make that happen as well too. So yeah, I got a phone call. So yeah man, so I'm say we're on Junior Lifestyle of Fishing, you know, it's gonna link up, you know, cause that's where the package is. We came from Winstone Chronicles, you know, so that's where we're gonna be heading to, you know, understand? So we give thanks to Winstone to keep on being we thank Winstone so much, you know, to being a huge family of this program, you know, keep giving back, you know, we thank him so much and his wife, you know, to keep on giving the blessing, you know, we cannot stop thank them, you know, to helping out this family as well too. So that's gonna be the journey next we're gonna head to, you know, straight down there, put the oats dumpling, collect the package, need some fish, jump in the water, hold some vibes, you know the thing goes already. So we have 30 grams same roll. We'll mingle with the crocodiles them.
Yeah, man. I don't know if they for the genus, you know, man. I left him an inch. See me, I say, yeah, man. One dream team, man. He know the founder.
So Boom Sam.
Hats off, my boss.
Boom Sam is on board as well. Cause school and call back as yet, so.
School call,
last time, I was afraid that the cooks them, so I don't know how to go work this time. You know. Ocean never got nowhere near the water at all, not even to wash the rice. Yeah, wash out the pot. Nothing. Alright, so Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Come here, Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Evening. Evening again. Dana, what's wrong with your eye?
She watched TV last night.
One redder than one.
Like somebody licking your eye.
What's wrong with the eye, Nana? Like something get into it. Alright, so Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, so as promised, you know, told you we're gonna bring the bags for you. You know, so we'll bring 2 bags here for you. So I hope you guys will like it. And I hope it will become a good use for you for your back to school. Right? Alright then, so Liquor Miss, you like this color? This look girly, right? So this is the girly color, and this is for you, and this is from the Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers, for the bag, and may God bless you.
Alright. And look, man, love football.
Cranberry.
This a man love ball, you know, so we get him the football bag, you know. So look, man, that is for you from the Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers. Thank you, Overcomers. I'll never make you basketball.
Alright, and so we give thanks to the Overcomers, you know, we thank you so much, you know, for blessing them you know, with this bag. You know, as I said, the treat will definitely it's going to be cancelled because, as you can see, back to school is Monday. You know, so it's too late now to do the treat. So that's why we kind of picked out this for the two of them. So you know, as I said, next year treat will be bigger and better, right? So you also have 2 donations as well for Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Also, you know, Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. So we have Liquor Miss, we have $4,000 a year for you from Dwayne from the US. This is $4,000 a year for you.
Thank you, Dwayne from the US for the $4,000. May your full basket never be empty.
Alright. And for Liquor Man also, we have $4,000 a year for you from Dwayne as well too.
Thank you, Dwayne, and never make your food basket empty.
Alright, so we give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. So Liquor Man and Liquor Miss is going back to new school, right? New school? Which one you're going to? Papi and I. Where's Papi and I? Oh, down there, so I'll go there. Okay, round the corner. So you're going to be in 7th grade? 7th grade? Same class? Why? Because Shuna twin, brother and sister, they are separated now. Alright, there's nothing wrong with that. Come here, Miss Cranberry, you come here, sir. Nana doing schoolwork. So Nana, yes, Nana, Cranberry. So you have $4,000 worth for you from Dwayne from the US.
Dwayne from US. Dwayne from US, thank you so much. And make the full basket never empty.
Dwayne from the US, thank you so much. And make your full basket never run dry.
Yes, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Dwayne, I'm say big up yourself. You know, much love, much thanks. You know, them all appreciate it. You know, and them give thanks. So thank you, and cannot that thank you as well. So Winston, as I say, they have done the right thing. You know they took out soon. You know, Junior lifestyle. We are on our way. You know, Junior say have a big fish. You know, big swim around with a oats dumpling there. Jeez, boom on the pot. Boom alone can't drink a pot water, right? You know. Whoa, where you say you're swimming with the alligators?
No, I'm not swimming with the alligators. I'm just letting look what I'm going. I say, I'm like swimming with the alligator deadly, you know. Yeah, I'm just letting look what I'm going, man. I'm there, man.
We have book already, right? Oh, so them have book. Book. You have booked, right? You know. I know they send for Nana. Oh, this are the. Which one this? Yes, I check out the one down so. Down so I'm gonna bring it, man.
Oh, so I'm forward it.
Yeah.
And check it out.
The length of pipe.
Black up the same black.
Okay. So you're gonna need black, and you're gonna need cement. You're gonna need 4 length of steel too. The pump, the dip on it, you put the pump on it.
For a spore.
So this is what Charge is gonna take this to the hardware to get it checked. Charge is a fold it good so that part over there you don't lose it. So just get a fold. Get a fold. I just gonna bring it go tomorrow so we can just send it off. So we can get the price.
I'm bring on the hardware and check up everything, how much it come up to.
Yeah. So we can make it know.
Give them it, man, and make them check up and tell them the price.
So when we get them in place, like so one day Bajah, then we can just we can know.
Then when you get the car, then gear thing.
Yeah, invoice.
Yeah.
Stocks them for a performance invoice. Major sell all of them things, supposed to sell the pump to them.
All the pump.
Yeah, over Major, man.
Yeah, man.
Sell all of that.
Everything.
Yeah. Major.
Yeah, if you're going there, see it, one of the hardware apartment.
Oh,
right up
okay.
like this one.
Yeah, nobody
look
check,
like
yeah.
this, man, because I go buy things, man. See it, man.
Alright guys, so that kind of wraps it up, you know, so we're gonna make them know we're gonna head out. You know. What go on here, so? Yeah.
See, change a Jay shower, we make up and you never know Salawana.
Thank you, know. She give the money?
Yeah.
How much she give?
3 and a 1.
How come they have one?
No.
All of them.
But I have 2 bills and she said she not have change.
You know, say, I'm going to buy the book them, you know?
Finana alone.
You buy the put them for Nana?
Yeah, but just say about 10 of them.
Oh, okay.
So I end up get about 5. Company one for Toko, come no say she use as she start law school. So they end up by 1. But my about 5 more for 5 years.
Put it back on them.
Going to school still.
What are the book list?
Yeah.
These are the books them?
Yeah.
This is a Toko one. No, that's a yarn.
1 grade.
This is my one. This is my one. This is my one. And this. And this. The uniform skirt big.
Big.
Big and tall.
You have to put them up back same time.
Yeah.
This looks like Tara one. How much is? How much is?
Tara forgot for 1.
Tara forgot for a shirt. Tara one, how many?
Okay, enough take out all of them.
This is mine.
This curd. That's good. That's good, so you get it. So now everything now ready for Monday.
We have time.
You have everything ready for Monday. You ready for school Monday?
Yes.
Yeah, man. But
And next week, Monday.
Monday, this Monday.
See who shoes they are doing.
You see the shoes them already. It's this Monday. Tomorrow Monday.
Yeah. Tomorrow's not Monday.
But that's what I mean. Tomorrow Monday. It's tomorrow Monday. Tara.
Look at Mama. This? Yeah.
Alright, then Kenny shall make a run.
End up move this morning, somebody got go down there early. In the
Which one?
Town.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna run and go and come back.
Okay.
Cranberry.
That boy some banana.
Yeah, pumpkin too.
Okay.
Somebody just boil them there and then put them.
The kid can't be some food.
Can't climb.
Not climb, but share the tree at them job.
No plum for you.
We can fit them too. Not to beg you. Yesterday, all the trees.
Don't get your happy birthday, August.
Come, yeah, happy birthday. Thank you. Yeah,
So daddy, you're going to go to your birthday?
Nana, give me happy birthday. Oh, thank you, Nana.
So you're going to go to your birthday?
No, I'm not going to know you at all.
Are you bringing me on?
Yeah, so I go. You get more than me.
Water taste
More
like.
than me.
So put salt in there. Salt. Then we don't know where salt.
Put salt in the water.
And I shake up my mouth.
Salt water you drink, Tara. What kind of bottle that shove it in?
Put it back up.
Alright, then later everyone. Later. Look, man. Yeah. It's a football bag. Guess you're gonna be there. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, so it's my time to head out the place, you know, because we finish off with everything right now, you know, so the kids them is set for back to school, which is great, and we'll give thanks for that as well too. You know, thank Unknown as well to that airport with the kids them with Nana back to school. And also, I say overcomers, you know, it's a huge blessings. I will still have more stuff that to reach as well for the back to school. We still haven't reached yet also from Kiwanis as well too, and from country. So you know we have some delay as well too. So it's the only best thing to do is to just cancel the trip because Monday is school. So most things are already sorted out and everything. So you know if anything else new we will know. So that's how the thing set. So overcomers big up on himself. In Stone, as I said, we're gonna charge, he's gonna go to the hardware and get the invoice. Once we get the invoice now, then we can know the price and then we'll let you know how we can take it from there. Because he have to build up a column right here where the tank can elevate to. So right here I'm gonna build up a little section, you know, so you can put the tank right on top. So I know the tank is gonna be a struggle to bring the tank. You know, trust me, that's gonna be the hardest mission to bring up the tank because it's not gonna be easy.
You like my twist? You like my plat?
Plat. I call it bongo plat. Bongo plat, that name the bongo. Rasta bongo. That name the Rasta. That name the Rasta bongo plat. Where you go? She may cook your mother food?
No, she want flour.
Flour? So no black here for go?
No, black in no where we want.
No flour, black don't sell flour?
Down the road.
So black don't sell flour?
The starfish.
Down the road you want to go?
No, my mother tell me to go down there.
Oh.
Starfish there. So she says better I'll go down a pig or buy that. Pound of starfish and the cup oil and pound of flour.
So you're not bringing in a bag?
But
you got to shop it out bag.
no, can you?
Yeah, man, you step forward, you get it too. Alright, right now start.
Ready.
A mucus make you sick, you know. Yeah, mucus.
So not talk about the Yaya products?
Yeah.
Yaya product champion, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, you see how I smoke regular now. Everybody need a detox.
Yeah. Ask him if he ever take a detox in his life, yeah?
Yeah, so.
You never take a detox.
Once you go with Yaya, man, and start work, man.
Let them know,
see the result.
Let the people them know about
man.
Yaya.
Once you start deal with the Yaya thing, man, you feel and see the result. Because I just said to them, I'm a testimony that.
Yes.
Before, me have a little complication.
Yeah.
Which me do a surgery and certain things, but certain little thing, it forward back.
Yeah.
And me I tell you, say me have a little problem. As you know, Kino introduced me to Yaya. And from start taking the product, me I tell you, say, it's like everything
free up.
Come back to normal and them thing there. Regardless, me have to do a little minor surgery and thing. But everything come back to natural.
Natural.
You understand?
Natural.
So when we say these things, we don't say it because we want to give Yaya hype or anything. But the truth of the fact is that it work. It's not just a talk. You understand? I mean, see the result of it. That's me can give a testimony right now. It's a natural thing, brother. It's good for you. And Yaya are the man for the thing. And health is wealth. We have to invest in ourselves. Because if we don't invest in ourselves and invest in our health, then we don't go there for even have that testimony right now. You understand? It will cost you more. It may cost even your life. That's because I talk right now. So at no time at all, I feel in a way of spending my money in order to do the right thing to keep me up. You understand? And I tell you, say, Yaya are the man for the thing. It's not just a talk, but it's reality. And it work. Trust me, one Yaya.
Charger walk it. Now usually that's a charger right here with a stick. You know, see
product money great, brother, man. I tell you, man. See when I feel different, more energy and brother, man. It's a real man. You know, like natural thing, bro.
Energy. That's how.
Yeah, you just a tell bull. The energy might give you. I tell you, make you come like a bull. I tell you, you get a man in devotion.
Every devotion again. The morning,
Yeah, man, once you get
afternoon,
up, I
evening.
first arise, you know.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
I walk one. Yeah, man. You can fit.
Whoa, you have to go check yeah for the
Yeah, I need it. Yeah.
baby in a buckle.
My system want clean out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I need some, you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, more the back product, you know.
The tummy tuck.
Yeah, man, more the back product, you know.
Oh, the baby product you
Yeah,
want.
more everything, yeah, man. You see me, I say.
We need a baby
Well,
product.
you know.
Because remember the guys from them get the new mansion we've been expecting.
Yeah.
You know, a baby chef in there, you know.
Yeah.
A baby wow.
Yeah, man, put on a baby shower.
Yeah, man. I put on all the baby shower and I'm done, you know.
Yeah.
I work on it, man.
So I have to go check, for that. Because the dream team want to celebrate. Yeah. Other way we walk. Other way we walk. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
No, auntie,
Like, yeah.
No, the TV
because,
like to watch.
guys, I tell you, say, yeah, product. Trust me.
It's not good for your eye.
Yeah. Yeah, product work. You see me? Never stop work. And trust me, guys. You need that. Nana.
Tara, the look red one.
Yeah. Talk the big sinner.
Very cramp.
Shot cast, I'm going to kill you up here.
So take and hold your balance. No more falling.
No
more falling. No more. Yeah.
Sounds like you drink the porridge.
You drink the porridge, though. Nana say like you drink the porridge. You drink the porridge, man, Nana. Boy, every time 30 grand come up here, I'm drop, you know. Yeah, man.
Nah, balance.
Nah, balance.
Then when you come back home,
Be yourself. Manners.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, man. White mouth. Don't say last time, boy. Yeah.
Remember, you continue the process and tell me that. You go on 9 days still.
Wow. Family and something.
Which one?
Oh, you.
Nana. Start get red.
Come see a red one right, that's alright now.
Them not ready yet, man, chunks.
Ready yet, man. I'm staying.
Chunks, a little slight red chunks. Come in 30 grand already. It just look red, but it not ready. It not ready yet. Come Nana later. High five. See you later. Okay? See you.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.